Welcome to the AI-driven UAV collision and intrusion detection system, a cutting-edge solution designed to enhance the safety and security of unmanned aerial vehicles in complex airspaces. Problem statement: with the rapid growth of UAV applications, ensuring safe navigation and preventing collisions or unauthorized intrusions has become a critical challenge. Our project addresses these challenges using state-of-the-art AI technologies. Project overview: our system integrates multiple components. Real-time object detection, using YOLOV-8, synthetic UAV flight path generation, collision prediction algorithms, intrusion detection in restricted zones, and a user-friendly dashboard for monitoring. YOLOV-8 object detection demo. Our system uses the powerful YOLOV-8 model to detect drones and other aerial objects in video feeds with real-time accuracy. Each frame is analyzed to identify drones, airplanes, or birds, with bounding boxes and confidence scores clearly displayed. This ensures rapid recognition of potential intruders or collision threats in the sky. By combining speed and precision, YOLOV-8 enables proactive UAV safety monitoring in critical airspaces. Flight path generation and visualization. Our system generates synthetic UAV flight paths to simulate real-world scenarios. These paths are visualized in 2D, providing clear insights into UAV movements and potential conflict zones. With interactive visualization, we can zoom in on the left or right portion of the flight path, select and magnify any specific region of interest, and configure subplots to compare multiple UAV trajectories or restricted zones side by side. This flexibility allows operators and analysts to explore UAV behavior at different scales, ensuring a deeper understanding of collision risks and airspace utilization. Collision prediction. Using advanced algorithms, we predict potential collisions by calculating the closest approach between UAVs, enabling proactive safety measures. Intrusion visualization. We provide detailed visualization of UAV flight paths and intrusion alerts, helping to analyze and understand UAV movements in relation to restricted zones. This visualization allows us to clearly identify when and where UAVs breach security boundaries, ensuring timely alerts and effective monitoring. Streamlit Dashboard. All data and alerts are consolidated into a clean, intuitive Streamlit Dashboard. It provides real-time updates, visualizes collision risks, intrusion events, and historical trends for effective monitoring. This dashboard transforms raw AI outputs into actionable insights, enabling decision-makers to act quickly and effectively in complex airspaces. Technical highlights. Built with Python, leveraging Ultralytics YOLOV-8 for detection, Pandas and Matplotlib for data processing, and Streamlit for the dashboard, our system is modular, scalable, and easy to extend. Thank you for watching our demo. The AI-driven UAV collision and intrusion detection system is a step forward in ensuring safer skies for UAV operations. We look forward to your support and feedback.